Hyun Sung Park is set to go down against Shannon Ross. This looks like a great fight for Hyun Sung Park. 8 overall. 5'10", 66 inches of reach. This guy was better than Sam Guk Choi, and Tapno Kivram choked out both of his opponents. He was also better than Jeremiah Siregar. Ground skills are simply out of his world. Amazing fighter. Shan, the Turkish delight, Ross 13-8-0, 5'6", 68 inches of reach, 66, sorry. Back-to-back losses to Vinicius Salvador, Clayton Rodriguez, Jesus Aguilar. This is to be or not to be for him. He also lost to Steve Erceg, but I don't know how he arrived at the UFC. Maybe, according to my mind, this guy has never been at UFC level, and I think this is officially the end of Shannon Ross. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. I'm gonna say Hyun Sung Park to win, potentially via some kind of a submission.